So I have something interesting for you today. This is a 2000 Isuzu VehiCROSS. Production ran from 1997 to 2001. They only produced about 6,000 of these in total, splitting between Japan and the US. Designed with the idea to be an all-terrain vehicle, Isuzu took a computer-controlled all-wheel drive system and paired it with a four-wheel drive system. Most of the models came with a TOD, or a torque on demand, which was an array of sensors to detect wheel slippage to redirect the power for more traction. The inside came with these leather seats, which were originally fairly nice. If we go back really fast, also came with carbon fiber on the door panels. Right here we have the shifter for high and low, as well as the standard shifter. We have a seat in the back. It can sit up to two people, two fairly small people that is. If we go back up to the front and get the keys, we can go and check out the back of the vehicle. The only way to open the back door to the VehiCROSS is with the key. There isn't a lever or a button on the inside to open it. I'm having a bit of trouble trying to open the door here. Okay, now that it's open, you can see that we have a spare donut on the left. This used to have a cover for it, but I imagine the original owner lost or broke it. We're lacking a little bit in the cargo area department. It's not a lot, but enough to probably put in some luggage for a camping trip or something like that. And this flat spot here, I found out, is a great little spot to sit. Maybe at some point I'll get around to fixing this up. It definitely needs a lot of work. If you want to see more, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to see some of the upcoming projects we do have going on.